Hi, I'm Lucas Brawley.
And I'm Carolyn Decker.
And we're from Endless Beautiful. We have a class coming up on Sunday, August 4th at What Cheer Writers Club from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. as part of Frequency Writers Summer Catalog. So Carolyn, can you tell us what an Endless Beautiful workshop is?
So traditionally, an Endless Beautiful workshop is where we come together, we listen to sounds, and we simultaneously create some sort of creative practice. Whether that's writing or drawing or some other medium, we're all about spontaneously coming together to do creative work. This summer, we're bringing something new to the table.
Yeah, so along with listening and creating, I'm going to show you guys how to use free Google Apps that are available to you. If you have a Gmail, you already have access. Otherwise, it's really easy to sign up for them. And we're going to do collaborative exercises using these different apps. It's really exciting stuff that you can use for face-to-face type workshops like we're going to be doing, or over the internet.
So why should you take this class? We really believe that as creative people, as creative professionals, using this type of multimedia and digital technology is going to become ever more important in our creative practices. So we're hoping you'll come and play with us on this Sunday and use these different technologies. We'll explore, we'll work together, and we'll get some real creative work done.
So what do you need for this class? Do you need to be a tech genius? No, you definitely don't need to be a tech genius. So you need a connected device, something that can connect to the internet. You need to be able to type into it because, hey, it's a Frequency Writers class. We're going to be doing some writing. You need that Google account. If you have Gmail, you already have one. If not, you can sign up really easily. Other than that, you just need to be ready to have fun and work in an open and collaborative environment.
And all you need to do to register is go to frequencywriters.org. You'll find our Endless Beautiful class on their registration page. $65 for this one-day workshop, and we're going to have a blast exploring these technologies, working together in that open and collaborative way. I hope to see you there.
Okay, bye.